Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In the previous class, we discussed the essential things you must have before starting affiliate marketing, such as payment method, marketplace account, website, email marketing service, tracker, and traffic. These are the common items you will definitely need. In today's class, we were supposed to discuss the payment solution, meaning the payment method we will use and how to create the payment account. But we will not do that class right now. We will cover the payment solution after completing this class on section 5. There is a special reason behind this, and that reason will be explained in that specific class. So today we will talk about marketplace affiliate program and individual affiliate program. We already discussed these two topics briefly in class 3. If you watched that class carefully, today's lesson will feel very easy for you. In today's class, we will discuss what is a marketplace affiliate program and what is an individual affiliate program. And finally, which method we will follow for our work. So let's get started. Some product owners or companies manage their own affiliate system by themselves. This is called the individual method. And the network method is a process where the merchant doesn't manage the affiliate program on their own. Instead, they use a third-party affiliate network to handle everything. Now, look at this practically. Today, if you want to run any business professionally, you must have a website. And for creating a website, you will definitely need a domain and hosting. Since these are very important products, if you promote them through affiliate marketing and if you reach the right and targeted audience with proper marketing, you will definitely get sales. Internationally, there are many domain and hosting provider companies. Almost all of them have affiliate programs. Some companies run their affiliate program using the individual method, while others run their affiliate program through a marketplace or network. So to check these things, let's go to Google and search for domain hosting. You can see many companies here that sell domain and hosting, and these are very popular companies. So let's open a few websites from here. First, let's start with Namecheap. Here you can see that Namecheap sells several different products such as domain, hosting, WordPress hosting, business email, some marketing tools, SSL certificate, CDN, VPN, and more. Now let's scroll down to the photo section. Here you can see the words affiliates, so click on it. This is Namecheap's affiliate program page where all affiliate related information and resources are available. Notice here there is an apply now button. And just below it you can see two marketplaces, Impact and Commission Junction, CJ.com. So let's click on the apply now button. Here again you can see both Impact and Commission Junction. This means Namecheap doesn't run its affiliate program by itself. It runs its affiliate program through the Impact Radius and Commission Junction marketplaces. This is called the Marketplace Affiliate Program method. You can join the Namecheap affiliate program through Impact, or you can join through Commission Junction. Both options are available. Now let's click on Enroll Now. This is the Namecheap affiliate program page inside Impact. Click on Sign Up. Here you can see Namecheap's contract terms, and you can also see how much commission you will get for each product. Scroll down, tick the checkbox and click Continue. Here you can see multiple ways to create an Impact account. Let's click on Sign Up with Email. Just enter your real information, tick the checkbox and click Get Started. And then your Impact Marketplace account will be created. After that, you can promote many other products from Impact as well. If you want, you can also join affiliate programs directly from the Impact website. In the same way, you can also join the Commission Junction affiliate program and promote Namecheap's offers from there. The reason I showed you all of this is very simple. I want you to clearly understand how the affiliate marketplace method works. Some companies run their affiliate programs through a marketplace, and in that case, you must create affiliate account inside that marketplace. After that, you will get your affiliate links from there. I hope this is clear to you. Now, let's talk about companies that run their affiliate programs by themselves. To check that, let's look at one more company, Hostinger. This is also a popular domain hosting provider company. From here, click on the service menu. You can see that they sell many different services and products. Now, scroll down to the photo section. Here, click on affiliate program. This is Hostinger's affiliate program page, where you will find all affiliate related information and resources. Here, you can see an option called Become an Affiliate, so click on it. Then scroll down and click on Partner Sign Up. Here, you will see a form and several steps. You must fill out the entire form with your real information. After completing it, you can join Hostinger's affiliate program and start promoting their products. Since Hostinger runs its affiliate program by itself, this is an example of an individual program. I hope now you have a clear idea about both marketplace affiliate programs and individual affiliate programs. Now let's go to Bluehost. Scroll down and go to footer section. Click on affiliate. Click on the Become an Affiliate option. As you can see, it has redirected us to the Impact website. This means Bluehost also runs its affiliate program through the Impact marketplace. Next, let's visit GoDaddy. Scroll down to the footer section. Go to Affiliates. Click on the Join Now button. Here, notice the URL public.cj.com. This means GoDaddy runs its affiliate program through cj.com, which is Commission Junction. All the companies we check today have their own affiliate programs. Some companies run their affiliate programs individually and some runs them through affiliate marketplaces. I hope there is no confusion about these two methods now. Now, the question is, which type of affiliate program should we join? Marketplace or individual? First, we will join affiliate programs through different marketplaces, because marketplaces allows us to work with products from many different topics. In contrast, individual companies allows us to promote products within the same topics. However, not all marketplaces accept beginners, and some marketplaces have specific requirements. So, does that mean our journey ends here? No, we will not depend only on marketplaces. Along with marketplaces, we will also join individual company affiliate programs. When we start generating some sales, almost all marketplaces will approve us easily. And since we will build multiple income streams from the same platform, we must work with both marketplace affiliate programs and individual affiliate programs. In upcoming classes, I will tell you exactly which marketplaces and companies you should start with as a beginner. And yes, all of those support new marketers. I have only discussed Impact and Commission Junction today, but there are many more affiliate networks where you can work in the future. In the next class, I will show you a website where you can find many different affiliate marketplaces. And in the class after that, we will discuss how to research marketplaces and how to find good ones. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next one. If you want to learn our complete affiliate marketing strategy from beginning to end, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay with us. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.